Hi y'all, welcome back to Geek Homestead and to the sewing corner today. We're going to be working on another block for the Farm Girl Vintage quilt, and today's block is the Country Crossroads. This is a sample that I made, and with cutting out the exact length of the pieces, I had a couple of them that were just under about a 1/4 inch. So with the new block, I've corrected that, so it'll be all even. But anyway, this is the Country Crossroads block, and we're going to get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we have 4 of the large square blocks in the same color material, and then we're going to take 16 of these little white squares, and we're going to stitch them diagonally at the corners of each of the big squares. So we're going to stitch it here diagonally, right here, and then we're going to trim it up so it'll look, all 4 of them, all 4 corners are going to look like that. You know, you've got a white triangle on the corner. So we're going to go ahead and do that to all 4 blocks. That'll be 16 little white blocks, and trim them up, and we'll be back. Okay, so we have stitched all 16 of the white blocks onto the little red ones, and from the back side the red looks like little stop signs. But anyway, so after you trim up your seam, this is what it looks like, and then we're going to take this over to the ironing board and open them up so they will look like that. Okay? Alright, we'll be right back. Okay, so our next step is to take our actual country road pieces, and mine are in a solid dirt brown. Take that, and you're going to match it up right sides together with one side of your stop sign pieces. Okay, I'm going to match it up and stitch a 1/4 inch seam along there. So do that to 2 of the stop sign pieces you made. Okay, so stitching the road piece to 2 of them, this is what you look like, because now we're going to stitch a second stop sign to the other side of the road piece. Okay, so we've now stitched the 2 sections together with the roads and the stop signs. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our other 2 street road pieces, and we're going to connect them with a small square of fabric that's going to be the center of the intersection. So with this, you're going to match up right sides together with the end of the road piece, not the side. You're just going to do it with the end. Match those up, stitch a 1/4 inch seam. Okay, and you do that to both sides of the center intersection block, the little square right there. So you've got the long vertical one here, and then we're going to match the seams with our stop signs. So we're going to stitch that to one side here, right sides together, 1/4 inch seam allowance. Okay, so we have finished stitching all the rows together, and here is the finished Country Crossroads block. To me, with the red, it looks like 4 stop signs, but you know, it could be just red dirt on the side of the road. So anyway, this is a very easy block to do, and I'm really pleased with it. I think it looks like a lot of fun. Easy to do. This would be an awesome, complete quilt in one block. Using the one block for an entire quilt. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. as much as I enjoyed making it and doing the block for you. If you like this video, and please subscribe and check out my other quilt blocks that I'm working on with this. I've got several already put up, posted on YouTube. Any comments you have, please put them below. Any tips you might have that I could improve these tutorials for you, I would be very grateful for any insights you might have. So please like, subscribe, and comment below, and we'll see y'all again next time. Thanks, and have a good day.